Apple cider vinegar for weight loss, how to use to burn fat. 7 tips. Apple cider vinegar is prepared by the fermentation of apple juice. It is a natural remedy for a variety of health issues and has been resorted to for years. It has a lot to offer when it comes to weight loss, helps break down the complex fats and carbohydrates, reduces blood sugar level and cholesterol, reduces the food cravings, and aids in digestion and body detox as well. Throughout its history, apple vinegar has proven itself to be very effective for many conditions including losing weight. Here's why apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. 1. Pectin is a water-soluble fiber found in both apples and apple cider vinegar which has a positive effect on weight loss. In some cases, using foods high in pectin has resulted in weight loss of up to 3 pounds per week when accompanied with proper calorie restrictions and moderate exercise. 2. Take 2 teaspoons in a glass of water before meals. Increasing the acid present in your stomach before you eat will allow your body to more properly digest your food. This will better allow you to use the calories for fuel rather than storing them as fat. 3. Acid in the stomach before a meal will help the body synthesize the protein which stimulates the growth hormone which is responsible for the body's metabolism. 4. We have found that for many, when apple cider vinegar is taken regularly at each meal, it stimulates your desire to eat more whole, natural foods and decrease your longing for more highly processed ones. 5. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of potassium which can balance the salt in your body, which in turn aids in balancing blood pressure, along with many other bodily functions which helps the entire system work better. When the body is working better overall, it is better able to use food for energy rather than storing it as fat. 6. Vinegar when taken with, or just before a meal, will slow down digestion of processed carbohydrates which will even out insulin production. This in turn will give the body a chance to convert this fuel into energy rather than fat and allow for better absorption of nutrients. 7. Taking 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a tall glass of water will reduce appetite just before eating. That makes this an ideal drink before meals, both to lose weight and to keep it off. You may be wondering if eating apples instead of taking vinegar might be better. Both have their individual benefits. The peel of an apple contains high amounts of insoluble fiber which aids in keeping your bowels moving, which helps the body in many important ways. Apple vinegar and its acids aid digestion, meaning you get more nutrition, better digestion of food, increases protein and hormone synthesis and reduces overproduction of insulin by helping regulate how fast carbohydrates are metabolized. As part of a lifelong strategy, start using apple cider vinegar for weight loss and weight management. Always be safe by consulting a healthcare professional before using these or any natural remedies. There's another option you should consider when wanting to lose weight and burn fat. Click the link in the description for detail. Please subscribe, like and share to this YouTube channel.